evacuate to higher ground. Currently, there is a tsunami warning issued in Okinawa Prefecture. And tsunami is estimated to arrive 9:10 at Yonaguni Island, but this is just an estimate. It is past 9:11, but tsunami could hit later. For estimated time at Iriomote Island, it's 9:30 for Ishigaki Island as well. The tsunami is to be as high as 3 meters. The tsunami is expected to reach the Okinawa main island around 10 a.m. You're seeing a live stream from Yonaguni Island. On the screen, you do not see any changes in sea level, but do not approach the coastal area. Evacuate immediately from coastal regions and move to safer places such as high ground or higher buildings. Do not stop or go back to where you came from. Please tell everybody around you that a tsunami is coming and to evacuate immediately. Now it's 9:12. Tsunami is expected to reach at 9:10 at Yonaguni Island. For Iriomote Island, it's 9:30, and Miyakojima Island, 10. The expected height of the tsunami is 3 meters, but tsunamis could be higher than expected. It could flow inland. So please evacuate far away as possible from the coastal area to higher ground as much as possible. Tsunami heights may exceed estimations, and tsunami could hit many times. A tsunami warning has been issued. The expected height of tsunami is 3 meters. Evacuate immediately. You're seeing a feed from Yonaguni Island in Okinawa. Although we do not see any changes in sea level, please evacuate immediately as far away from the coastal region. Again, the estimated tsunami arrival times are shown on the screen. Now it's 9:13, but this is just an estimate time. For Iriomote Island, the estimated tsunami arrival time is 9:30, and for Miyako Island, it's 10. The height of the tsunami is expected to be around 3 meters. Now, on the screen, you see ships